Ants are nature's ecosystem engineers, silently improving soil health. Their tunnels create pathways that increase soil porosity, allowing air and water to reach deep into the ground. By neutralizing soil pH and increasing essential nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, they transform soil into a thriving, nutrient-rich environment. They even speed up decomposition, helping organic matter break down faster. But with soil health under threat, it's time to recognize the role ants play in sustaining life on Earth. Let's protect these unsung heroes.